Good afternoon for all the audience of Content World Europe 2021. This event, which gathers OpenText partners and customers from Europe and Middle East. As MGS, which stands for Mediterranean Sea and Gulf for Computer Systems, we are proud of being part of this big family. My name is Ahmed Al-Najjar. I am the Pre-Sales and Products Manager in MGS. I am honored to have you on board during this short trip where we can talk about MGS and its services. In addition to that, we will talk about the modules that MGS developed to help customers get better utilization of OpenText products. Our agenda for today's session is to have a couple of minutes talking about MGS in general and our company profile. Then we will show you common features that we included in each module of MGS Modules. Moving forward, having a small introduction for each module we developed, which are, first, we have Correspondence Management Module, then Policy and Procedure Management Module, which leads us to Digital Quality Management Module. After that, we have Contract Management Module, ending finally with Legal Case Management Module. MGS is a Kuwaiti-based company with offices in many other Gulf countries and across Middle East. Over 29 years of experience in IT solutions and services, we have currently more than 150 happy customers. Our partnership with today and future business leaders, starting with OpenText, has paid off over the years. MGS is growing year after year, and as long as we keep our eyes on the quality of service that we provide to our customers, we ensure to build a team of certified and well-experienced professionals. Our goal is to provide turnkey solutions to ensure the success of our customers. Services that we provide includes, but not limited to, imaging services for backlog volumes if exist, OpenText solutions implementation services, integration services, outsourcing services, customer support, training and consultation services, and project management and delivery services. Our success stories with OpenText reflect the hard work and the commitment levels toward building a strong and long business relationship with existing and new customers. Looking to our success stories shows the experience variation across multiple industries, including banking, oil and gas, government, healthcare, investment, retail, and others. As a content management and digital transformation experts, MGS has developed all the modules on top of OpenText Content Suite. And for customers who decide to go for the extended ECM products family, we confirm our product support for all XECM products. MGS Modules development methodology complies with the business standards and regulations for each module. At the same time, providing a simple and easy to adopt user experience. Today's business users are socially engaged with the revolution of social media concept. So we make sure to enrich our modules with all the collaboration features they need to have their business done quickly and as efficient as possible. Multinational companies and organizations might have users from different nationalities. Therefore, the solutions they use should serve this variation when it comes to the user interface supported languages. Our modules have always a room for customizing certain parts, especially when it comes to customer-specific approval cycle, reports, dashboards, and other module components. Building our modules on top of OpenText Content Suite enables us to inherit almost all of the features provided. For example, document templates, reminders, version control, electronic and digital signature, etc. Starting by the Correspondence Management Module. The Correspondence Management Module is one of the common solutions in the market that facilitates the management of correspondences between organizations as well as within a single organization. The module is usually described as a horizontal solution because it is used across all directorates or departments of an organization. MGS Correspondence Management supports all kinds of correspondences, mainly the basic three types, which are incoming, outgoing, and internal correspondences. Our deep experience in the market has led us to the fact that workflows are not the best approach for managing correspondences. Most of the times, a correspondence has its own special case that cannot be reflected on a workflow map. Trying to consider all exceptions of a correspondence flow will make the workflow map very complicated and leads to bigger maintenance issues for the system. MGS Correspondence Management Module makes it easy to create, edit, approve, transfer, track, and relate correspondences to each other with the minimal use of workflows that are limited to approvals, signatures, and publishing cases. Managing the participants on which correspondences is one of the key strength points that differentiates MGS Correspondence Module from others in the market. We understand that a participant should be assigned to a specific role that controls his permission on the correspondence in a way that enables him to do the task assigned to him without affecting the security level of a correspondence. The demonstrated videos shows some of the key features and components of the correspondence management module. Starting with the creation of a new correspondence, we can see how easy it is for a user to create a correspondence. Once a correspondence is created, the user can start adding the team members who will be involved in the process. Users can find the predefined template to edit and send for approval, signature, or any other action through the available workflows. Other content can be added to the correspondence in multiple ways: drag and drop, scan, mobile scan, or through Outlook. Members can always collaborate with each other through the available tools. Whenever a task is delayed, a reminder can be sent to single or multiple people or groups to speed up the process. In a reminder, priority, assignees, frequency, activation time, and escalation features are all available. Another interesting feature is the dashboard of this module, which gives a clear idea about the overall numbers of the correspondences and the status of each. The drill down feature enables reaching deep filtering of the graph and direct access to the results. The result of the whole process is an official correspondence letter, electronically or digitally signed and published to the concerned people. The second module we will talk about is the Policy and Procedure Management module. This module is designed for all organizations who look after governance and compliance. To be more specific, the organizations who make sure to comply with government standards, accreditation standards, or internal regulators' standards. When such regulations or standards are received, the responsible department needs to respond by creating or modifying policies that complies to the new regulations. Once a draft is formulated, it starts the review and approval cycle according to the organization structure. Finally, the document is published to all concerned members of the organization. Cases such as frequent revisit or change requests are also handled in the module. Obsolescence, and merging cases are also considered to cover the business needs. Users will have always full insights of the policies and procedures in the organization. The module also ensures the access to the latest revision of the document with a full record of old revisions and drafts. The module screens, as all other modules of MGS, are designed to simplify the process to the end user and enables them easily follow the procedure. First, create a policy record, then add participants, collaborate with the stakeholders to issue the draft document, get the necessary approvals. After that, prepare the policy audit checklist, and finally distribute or publish the final document. The system will remove the burden of tracking revision numbers, notifying and reminding stakeholders when a next revision date approaches, updating the status, disposing retired or merged documents, and maintaining permissions and security levels on published and draft documents. If the customer is in healthcare, industrial, banking, oil and gas, insurance, or government, this module will ensure governance and compliance. Moving to our digital quality management module. This module that has policy and procedure embedded as it is the cornerstone of any quality improvement and organization development process. But policy and procedure is a single part of the organization development cycle that documents the quality documentation components. The other parts that are covered in this module complete the cycle and allow full visibility of the current state of an organization against planned vision. The question that this module answers is what happens after we have our policies and procedures under control? The answer is simply to make sure that those policies and procedures are translated into actions and being followed by employees. For that, the system provides the tools to identify gaps and incidents and manage resolving them as per the international management methodologies. To resolve a gap, a proper analysis needs to be done. The system provides all the necessary tools for committees, management board, or quality department to meet, collaborate, and come out with analysis results. The next step is to put a performance improvement plan to solve the gap. The system also supports this process by enabling users define the plan, objectives, and related activities, then approve the plan and state it as functioning. The activity assignees automatically will receive the task according to the planned schedule. All kinds of notifications are provided by the system to make sure that users will not miss any assigned task. Keep in mind that the system allows business users to create multiple performance indicators and assign them to plans, objectives, or tasks. To put the whole management into practice, we included strategic planning and auditing tools to this module. In strategic planning, we cover the full cycle, starting from scheduling the planning cycle, distribute each plan component tasks to specific members. For example, a user can define who is responsible of the SWOT, then the strategic goals, budgeting, etc. Moving forward to operational plan for each goal, ending with tasks associated to each operational plan activity. Audit is another cycle that starts by defining audit plan, identify audit nature. For example, an audit can be scheduled and announced, or scheduled but not announced, and so on. Once the audit reaches the execution phase, audit team are all known and notified, auditees as well. Checklists are ready for all policies, procedures, PIPs, etc. The result of an audit is the audit report. This might feed the organizational health record log with new gaps to analyze, and the loop goes repeatedly.